Man, talk about a rough day for SoFi stock so far and for the stock market. I mean, guys, we have SoFi down over 2%, and every index is down well over 1%, and the VIX is up almost 10%. Yes, you heard that right. So we have to break down SoFi, the charts, how we're looking today, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, come on, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, guys, at this point, like I said, every index is in the red. The VIX is up almost 10%, and we have SoFi down over, well, it was over 2% in the red. Now we're down 1.8. Either way, guys, we're down, and we're taking out the lows from Friday as we hit $15.42 earlier in the morning. It looks like here at about 10 a.m. East Coast time, we hit $15.40 roughly, which the low from Friday was about $15.80. So it's not like we completely collapsed under the low from Friday, but we did take it out nonetheless with this move here. And on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, you guys can see now we are under both moving averages. I guess we were on Friday as well. And now we have a death cross, which we had that on Friday. That's continuing here. The Bears are still in charge in the very short term. And it looks like we actually have a little bit of a head and shoulders right here in the very short term. I mean, you guys see it right here on the 5-day, 5-minute. And as I peel the layers back even more, you're going to see it on, I think, the 4-hour chart. We covered the head and shoulders on SoFi last. But before we get there, on the 1-hour chart here, we're now under both moving averages, which just 2 days ago we weren't. But now we're under both moving averages again on SoFi. And it looks like here, guys, we're holding on by a thread at the support that we've held this entire month pretty much, right? At about 1540, 1550. This has been, for the most part, support all of December for SoFi, which, guys, it needs to hold. It needs to hold. And we are getting buyers there now. Buyers are coming in at about 1540 at that exact level. I mean, you guys see it right here. And we're starting to rally a little bit. But still, guys, there's still a chance we fall through 1540 and maybe start slipping even more into the new year, which, honestly, if that happens, guys, that's where I'm looking to add more to my position. And you guys know my average cost is $680. I actually haven't added to SoFi in a while at this point. I've just been holding on to it. But for me to add more, I'm going to need it to slip down towards 14 and preferably under 14. If it starts slipping down to 12, 13, I mean, who knows, right? If it starts getting there in the new year, maybe we get a bigger sell-off. That's where I'm looking to add more. But for now, even here at 1550, we're selling off a little bit. So be it. I'm just holding on to what I got. I'm not looking to add more shares quite yet, unless it starts slipping. Like I said, 12, 13 bucks. I'm going to consider it there. And on the 4-hour time frame, if I zoom in a little bit, do you guys remember this, right? We called out the head and shoulders a couple of videos ago. I covered it yesterday as well, and it looks like that is still intact right now on SoFi stock. You guys see the left shoulder. We have the head right here, boom. The right shoulder is right there. You guys see that? So we still have that head and shoulders intact, although we are still above the moving average here, the 180 moving average. That's huge, right? We're still above that point, technically at a higher low. So it's not like, oh my God, SoFi is collapsing. It's the end of the world. We're crashing. Guys, we're still holding the uptrend. We're above the 180 SMA. which has held since literally the summer. This 180 SMA has held since the middle of August, right? End of August, and we're still above it. So, okay, if it slips under that point, different story. Maybe if we start going down, like I said, 12, 13, that's where the right shoulder will really start to play out on this time frame. If we break under this 180 SMA, but we're not there yet. We're just not there yet. So we're going to see. We're going to see how it plays out. For now, like I said, guys, I'm just holding on. I'm not looking to buy more or sell. I'm holding on. But if we slip under this 180 moving average, we take the lows out from the 20th of December being about $14. All right, we might slip even more. That's where I'm looking to add more to my position. So what do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And did you know I have a free email list where every week I send out my top 3 stocks to over 2,000 people for free? It's linked down below, guys. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address, and boom, you're in there. Just like that, guys. Again, linked down below. So in the midst of this madness right now, guys, we don't have much green out there, at least on my watch list. We have, let's see, SQQQ is moving up. Obviously, this is a bearish leveraged ETF. It goes up whenever QQQ goes down at a 3x rate. So let's say QQQ's down. What's it down today? 1.34, whatever it's at. Yeah, 1.4%, 1.5. Guess what? SQQQ on a day like that will be up around 4.5%. And look at it. Look at where we're at. We're up 4.5% on SQQQ. So if you're looking at trading the indexes, excuse me, guys, and you want to, let's say, trade the weakness in the NASDAQ, right? This could be a great way to do that. Exactly that. If QQQ goes down, whatever it may be, boom, SQQQ goes up 3 times what QQQ went down. Does that make sense? So, excuse me, guys. That's why SQQQ is up 4.5%. Very big day for this. And funny enough, guys, we have other stocks today, like Planet Fitness in the green. I don't know how that's going on here or how that's happening, but Planet Fitness is up to $100 a share. And it's actually been there for a little bit since earnings came out about a month ago. So PLNT looking really good on the charts. Nvidia's also up, guys. Excuse me, guys. Man, I'm still getting over the sickness. Bear with me here, guys. But Nvidia's up a good chunk on the day. I mean, a good chunk. Not that much, geez. But it looks like it's up a little bit, about 40 cents. And this ascending triangle, guys, is still intact. It might play out. Who knows? It might break out in the new year. We're wrapping up here in 2024. Doesn't look like it wants to break out in 2024, but in the new year, it might. Nvidia stock. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Patreon for my updated portfolio. Every single week, we're doing updates, buying stocks on Patreon. That's linked down below. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account, also linked down below, and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.